Are you wondering how to make your house stand out to buyers in a crowded market? Ultimately, the best chance of getting your house sold fast is by staging it properly. Staging a home is an important aspect of the home selling process because it can significantly impact a potential buyer's perception of the property. Staging involves preparing a home for sale by making it look as attractive and as appealing as possible. The goal is to create a warm, welcome, and visually pleasing environment that will make a positive impression on the buyers and lead to a faster sale and a potential higher selling price. This is Nathan Clark with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty here in New England. In this video, I'll discuss 4 steps involved in staging a home to achieve a more successful and profitable sale. If you'd like more real estate advice like this, check us out at nathanclarkteam.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe below. Now, let's get started. First, you want to hire a professional cleaning service. If you're wondering how to make your home stand out to buyers, the most important thing you can do is hire a professional cleaning service. A cleaning service and make the home tidy and clean and make it first good impression, as it gives the impression that the home has been well maintained and taken care of. Deep cleaning is especially important if your home is older and you've lived in it for a while, especially if you got pets. While you can certainly do the cleaning yourself, a company will take care of deep cleaning, sanitizing, and targeting all the hard to reach areas that really nobody wants to do. So professional cleaning services also makes it easy to take care of larger tasks like shampooing, carpeting, and polishing hardwood floors. Before bringing professional cleaners in your home, though, you'll want to declutter and get rid of any furniture items that you won't be including in the home staging. This will open up the area and make it easy to clean the home. Once you've decluttered it, it's a good idea to take care of some of the lighter cleaning tasks like dusting, vacuuming, and wiping down surfaces. Pay special attention to high traffic areas such as the kitchen and bathrooms, as there are the areas the buyers will spend the most time looking at because of the most expensive areas to redo in a house. The other thing you want to do is take care of necessary repairs. I've gone over this a lot of the videos we've done. You can check it out on YouTube. As a home seller, it's up to you to take care of anything in your home that needs to be repaired. Buyers will conduct a home inspection when they look at your property to discover any items that are in need of repair. So if you don't take care of them beforehand, you risk giving the buyers leverage to negotiate a lower listing price. For that reason, it's best you hire a professional for a pre-inspection. On our team here, we offer that as a service here. We're happy to help you out with that if you have any questions with it. But you don't always need to make every single repair that comes up. For example, if you're planning to list it as a fixer-upper property, but if you want to get the highest price for the property, you need to make sure you take care of the critical issues. I've done some videos on this. Check it out on YouTube. You can always include things, the little things you see, like leaking pipes, electrical areas, chip paint. Very easy to fix yourself. Any appliances that are broken, fix those before you put them on the market. Number 3 is consider renovating to maximize your home's appeal. As long as you've taken the steps to take care of all necessary repairs, you don't have to go the extra mile to add stylistic renovations or upgrades to your property. However, they can be a good way to maximize your home's appeal, especially if it's older. So if you're looking for the most cost-effective upgrades with the biggest impact, there are a few simple options to consider out there. First is updating the lighting in your home. New light fixtures or even just changing out bulbs to more energy-efficient LED bulbs can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of a room. Second, consider installing new hardware in your kitchen and bathrooms like handles, knobs, and faucets. This is relatively inexpensive updates that can give your property a really fresh update and make it look a lot better. Next is add personality and finishing touches. Once your home is cleaned, repaired, and renovated, you want to go through and add some finishing touches. It can be a good idea to hire a professional designer to help you with this, and these touches include small details that make the home feel warm and inviting, like throw pillows, artwork, vases. These items can be all used to add pops of color to neutral spaces, and can also add things like fresh flowers, plants, scented candles, or diffusers to create an overall more inviting atmosphere. These accents can help break up the room and really just add a lot more interest with it. So just be sure to use different colors and styles that complement the overall aesthetics of the space and don't overwhelm it. It's a good idea to focus on adding decor in a few key areas that home buyers will be spending the most time in rather than the entire home. Home staging is a buyer's first impression of your home. So if you want the best chance of selling your home for top dollar, you'll need to ensure you have the necessary steps to stage it properly. Making your house stand out to the buyers starts with choosing the right realtor to help you. A realtor can help you narrow down what to focus on, planning on the renovations that will fit in the budget that you have, and help you find a local contractor. So if you have any questions that I can help you out with that, feel free to give me a call at 401-232-7661. I'm Nathan Clark, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and thanks for watching.